In this video, I will show you how I captured scenes for a Keller Williams real estate promotional commercial. The real estate agent I was working with was Brandon Williams. He was preparing for an open house and wanted to create a small social media video displaying the specs and features of the home.
Countertops in this particular model with the base model. We have finish of the cabinets. These right here are they're very nice. I feel like they complement the rest of the house very well, especially in contrast with the white granite and the stainless steel appliances.
Initially, I knew it would require a bit of shooting that would have to be condensed into a video. Before we arrived, I had no idea of how the design of the home or layout would be. So to execute this shoot smoothly and easy, I suggested that he give me a tour of the entire home. We would start right outside the front door. I would introduce him.
Hi, I'm Brandon Williams with Keller Williams South Park.
And from there, we would enter the home. Starting from the walkway entry, we would make our way into the living room, into an open concept home.
One is wide open concept.
From there, we would make our way into the dining room, which would lead us into the kitchen.
Have a beautiful kitchen.
Capturing every specific point and or fixture within the dining room and kitchen, I knew that I wouldn't be able to keep everything for the final video. But it's always good to make sure you get as much as you can. We would cover the pantry, the mud room.
What we have here is the mud room, has the same finishes.
A few closets, and that would complete the first floor. From that point, we would make our way up to the second floor and cover all bedrooms and bathrooms.
Obviously with a custom home, you can change it to whichever specifications you would like. That's the benefit of this particular house. You can change anything within the perimeters of the inside of the house, from the fixtures to the carpet, even to the layout on the inside of the property. 4 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, so everybody has their own bathroom, shower, everything. But this model comes 4 bedroom, 4 bath. We have like a sitting area. We can make it a family room. Probably can turn into a bedroom if you like, or a larger bedroom if you wanted to expand another one of the bedrooms. We have amazing school district. So it's just a overall very nice house in the school district in the area for the price. Steps, obviously, leading to the other bedrooms. The restroom, so you come up the steps, shared with one of the bedrooms. But if that's not something you like, you can change it because it's a custom home. All right, heading straight into the master bedroom. Beautiful. Once again, with it being a custom home, customize inside of the closet, the shelving, even the spacing of the closet. You want a bigger closet or a smaller closet? Those are things that you can change. Beautiful master bathroom. Gorgeous tub, shower. Double sink.
Time-wise, this totaled out to be an hour-and-a-half shoot. We only had 2 hours, but in the end it worked out. Within that time, I was able to cover the house 3 times. Once all the footage was captured, then we take care of the audio. In post-production, I knew a lot of what I captured may not make it. But that wasn't a bad thing, because I'm a long-term thinker. So I knew once I gave Brandon what he needed, I would be able to revamp this whole experience into how iProduction Media captures the moment. Yep, finito.
Y'all just dope, right?
Dope. If you like watching or learning how I shoot videos, hit the like button on this one. And please subscribe to iProduction Media on YouTube. Check out the final version of the Keller Williams promotional video at the end of this video.
Hi, I'm Brandon Williams with Keller Williams South Park. Made by Goodwin Custom Homes.